Hello there, welcome back. So I got this 2002 Ford F150. So the customer stayed, car won't go in gears, or the shifter won't work. So I'm going to show you what to do, guys. So right here, I already selected the tool I'm going to use. So it's a T30 Torx. I'm going to use to show you that simple fix. But let me show you first what it is doing. Get these out the way. Alright, so I'm gonna put the key in there. Alright, as you can see, the key in there, what it's doing, guys. So even though it's all the way up, it's just flexible like this, guys. So I tried to crank it, nothing. It won't work, so I'm going to show you how to quick fix it real quick, guys. Alright, so remove the key. So now I'm going to go underneath the dash, turn on my light. Alright guys, so right here, as you can see, the shifter is loose because these bolts, let's get the light a bit better. Alright, so these bolts loose. That's the reason why it's behaving like that, guys. So should select in that place. See if I can get the other. Alright, so you carry two bolts right there, guys. Two screws. Right there, so I'm going to tighten them, guys. A bit tight up there, guys, but that's it. See if I can get the one to the back. Alright, let me see if I can use just the socket and run it down first. Headlight. Oh goodness. Alright guys, so sorry about the shakiness of the video. It's a bit tight under here, guys, so I have to try and see if I can get it down. Alright, so I'm going to do the other one. Alright, so now I'm going to put the extension on this hanger right here. So now I'm going to see what is going on here now, guys. Put the key in. Alright, so now it's cranking. Go to reverse. So it just needs a little more adjustment. The shifter here is giving a little trouble, but now it's cranking, guys. So the shifter a bit worn right here, guys. So that's how you fix it, guys. It won't stay up, so I'm going to do a check those bushings inside here to see what's going on. Alright. That's it for now right there, guys. So just need a little more adjustment, or maybe the bushing inside damage. I hope this video helped you all out there in case of the same issue. Welcome back, guys. So remember I was saying I have to do some adjustment on the shifter here to see what's going on, if it's the bushing or the cable. So I'm going to show you what's going on, guys. Alright, so this piece here that's showing the dial for the gears, this is what break, guys. So it broke right there. That's that piece hanging off right there. So that is the reason why it's behaving like that, guys. So damage right there. So I'm going to have to maybe do some adjustment on it. Put a tie strap behind here, unlock it, guys. So all I can do, put something behind here to hold it in place, guys, just like that, like a zip tie around it, and it should be okay. So thanks for watching.